Hello, everyone. Today's webinar will be recorded. We welcome your questions after the presentation once we have completed. This week's solution session is hosted by our friends at Quest. Thank you for joining us. My name is Leah. Today's topic is PeopleSoft HR and Oracle HCM Reports. I'll give you a quick overview of DataTerrain, and then we'll get right into it. We have 3 topics today: PeopleSoft HR Reports, Oracle HCM Reports, and HCM Prebuilt Reports. I'll walk you through each of these from the DataTerrain perspective, share some experiences that we've had with customers, and give you the opportunity to participate. DataTerrain has been in business intelligence for over a decade, providing automated reports conversion, custom development, pre-built reports, and short-term fixed cost support. We are based in Silicon Valley, and we are partners across many large organizations. Initially, we'll be discussing PeopleSoft HR Reports in Crystal to Oracle Business Intelligence. As many of you know, Oracle purchased PeopleSoft, and as such, many customers are migrating their reporting between the previous Crystal legacy reports to the newer OBI. An overview of our automation. Customers initially come to us with legacy reporting with an intention to move to their selected Oracle product. In this case, often Business Intelligence Publisher or BI Publisher. So our automated tool will take the Crystal reports, convert both the data model and the report files, complete unit testing, integration testing, and deliver the customer the completed converted report for final UAT review. We then work with customers intimately to ensure that the business user accepts the report and retain a hands-off approach to ensure speed and quality assurance. Our automation tool converts all components of the legacy reports: charts, formatting, links, sub-reports. There are many different customized reports that come through our tool, and we can handle all of them. This also includes the data model, parameters, queries, data sets. All components of the data model and the report are converted in their entirety. From there, we assist the customer with deploying the the converted reports into PeopleSoft. So we will create the report definition, upload the RTF template, select the output formats, select in-process scheduler, and run the report. Again, this is intended to be a hands-off process for the customer. There are a series of steps for deploying these reports into the selected environment. Our team of experts can assist you with that. Here we've showcased some of the details of those steps. We're happy to review any of these in detail at the close of the presentation, and we can come back to these steps and review them as you like. This includes report scheduling, and then the report will be run in the BIP, similarly as it was in the Crystal reporting. The intention is for the outputs to match exactly with a one-to-one conversion. Many customers are now moving to Oracle HCM. Similarly, we offer many services to make this a smoother process. Oracle HCM is a cloud application. Many customers are excited to apply because they have an ease of functionality, and it gives them the opportunity to really dig into their data and create dashboards and workbooks right away from the time of implementation. There are custom features that our experts can help to walk you through, design, and implement for you. Our team works behind the scenes to evaluate the initial reporting. From a technical perspective, we determine if the requirements are complete, work through development, whether that needs to be custom or altering reports that are already existing, and ensure that they can be implemented smoothly with your team. We will ask customers to provide functional requirements, analyze these for feedback, provide a mapping documentation, and then from here you'll have both a report and an HCM extract or data model as necessary. We will complete unit testing, and not until we are ready for UAT does the customer need to become involved, simply providing acceptance for the completed reports. We support you through production and offer warranty post-production. Here we have some samples of reports that customers have come to us regarding. So we have the multi-active payroll report and a couple of views thereof. So over the most recent years, we've had customers come to us regularly for the same questions. Where can they find a library of reports? If they're not available out of the box, where can they find the reports they need without starting from scratch? We've had the opportunity to create hundreds of reports, and we'd like to make these available to additional customers so that they don't have to spend the time creating the requirements when other companies have already done this for them. This reduces your cost and obviously your time. We have a pre-built report library readily available, and we can then also customize it. So if there are simply a few components that need to be adjusted in order to make that report work for you, that is no problem whatsoever. Sometimes it also inspires customers to define their requirements, so we can also work with you from scratch on custom development. Again, we have several hundred reports available across subject areas, and we take care of the deployment from beginning to end, simply coming back to the customer for user acceptance. We'll work with your team to ensure that you're comfortable utilizing those reports, understanding how they've been developed, and they are entirely yours to adjust as necessary going forward. So we can help to support that as necessary. Across subject areas such as payroll, audit, HR, these are some of the selections that we've made available. So we're going to give you an opportunity to see some screenshots here of some of these pre-built reports. Some of the most commonly requested pre-built reports are along the lines of future hires, worker compensation, personal and assignment data of location. We try to be very flexible. We understand that no two businesses are entirely alike. And so while we look for opportunities to reduce your efforts, we also understand that your needs are unique. And we'll work with you across time zones, across timelines, across budgets to make sure that you have what you need. Our reports are customizable. Our team focuses on accuracy, and we ensure that what we offer meets within the budget you can work with. Many customers over the years have given us reviews that I'd like to share with you today. We have no specific industry that is required for us to implement reporting changes, whether it's a migration, whether it's a consolidation of your reporting tools. So we've worked with universities, we've worked with governments, we've worked with all sectors of business, as every business uses some form of reporting to extract their data. Our automation tool migrates between any two business intelligence products. We have some examples shown here for you. Again, this includes both the report and the data model, as well as universes if required. So I'd like to give you an opportunity to ask some questions and let us know which of our reports might be of interest to you. We can certainly offer you the individual opportunity to review some of those pre-built reports and determine if you might like specific demos. But I'd also like to give you an opportunity to just touch base with our experts who are on the line and talk about what your migration plan is or what struggles you're currently facing.